Enter Puzkin, a world powered by magnetic energy where nature and magic come alive for you to explore. Meet the Puz Chef, your loyal, customizable companion. Together, you'll capture creatures, fight enemies, build wonders, and restore balance to this enchanted land. Explore vast landscapes on foot by swimming, gliding, flying, or using a variety of vehicles. Capture funny and cute creatures, customize your character, gather resources, and bring every part of Puzkin back to life. Unleash the power of magnetic combat. Protect your allies and unlock amazing abilities with your Puz Chef by your side. Create your own island haven. Build, decorate, and invite all other players to share in your vision of Puzkin's world. Join a massive community where family, friends, and creators can build, explore, and shape Puzkin together. Create what you want, where you want, and make your mark on this magical world. Puzkin, where every step you take, every creature you capture, and every world you shape leaves a lasting mark. Jump in, explore boundless freedom with countless players on Puzkin. Magnetic Odyssey MMORPG cross-platform on iOS, Android, PC, Mac, and Switch.